Yo, what's up guys, how you are today? Playing Roblox Rebels in the car, Hollow Gamer here. Yeah, now talk.
You hit that guy with 2 shots with the sniper, and then after that you hit him with 75 with the soldier. How was he alive?
Hacker.
Or maybe he got mad.
Hacker.
Stop your chances. The sniper
I
is
will
there.
handle
Ahmed,
the
look
I will
how
handle
good
the
skin is.
10. I'm lower level than you, so I will handle the lower level. You handle the higher level. Never mind, I was supposed to quick snipe. I'm sorry. I will become a knife player. Let me type knife only.
Cranes, crane.
Knife.
AR.
Knife.
Oh,
I'm
I
using
got
AR and knife both. If I encounter the bazooka, I'm using AR. If I encounter the knife, I will use the knife. I did 40 damage. I got cooked. How is he doing so good knife thing and not even having a skin on the knife? Not even a wrap. Bro, he's sniping you and knifing me. So we should just team up on him.
no.
We're teaming up on them.
Where is he?
Should we do a 1v1 after this? Random all.
On Prive? Yes.
On Prime. Bro saying on Prime, yeah. You have a spear. Don't.
Bro, let me do that, okay? Let me
Don't
have
even
that.
think of that. What did I tell you, Tommy?
Why is gonna say it's super delicious?
What I tell you, Gio? Gio, no doing that again. Bro want to kill you with knife.
But sadly, I'm too good for this world.
I did 26 damage. I can easily get killed by an RPG spammer. Holy aura. Aja. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Wish no.
Bro, who do you think will win the World Cup?
Oh, definitely Messi.
Bro, there's a name for that.
I'm not there just teamed up on me. One of the guy is using burst and the girl is still using RPG.
Okay, let's go then.
I did
Let him
5
cook.
damage to this guy. He's
To
on.
the guy.
He's,
I'm doing knife to the guy. Okay,
and they
this
cooked
girl,
again.
she's getting cooked with the air. Run.
You can't do that.
Come on.
You can
Oh, bro. Oh.
Bro. Ahmed, what error that?
AR.
Crossbow.
AR.
Crossbow. I'm using crossbow.
AR. But I want to knife him so bad. He knifed me 2 times.
Yeah. So you want to get your title back? I see her.
Yeah. Obviously, you see her. She's on our faces. He also using crossbow.
I don't know why I was.
Let me mad. Please let me mad. Okay, now let him cook. I did 10 damage.
How did I kill him? Oh, I killed her. Yeah.
Because I didn't do damage.
Perfect.
Bro, there's
Katana.
only one thing. Katana. Kutana.
Generally, AR is the only hope here. Amber, we both have to team up on the RPG. Come.
Freeze ray. Don't go. We can't team up on the RPG. If we do team up on the RPG, she will hurt us both with one shot. I did 65 damage with the RPG. I did good damage with the RPG.
Eliminate the RPG.
The other one is 50 HP. I mean I did 50 damage. I am using freeze ray. Let me use freeze ray real quick. My freeze. How did he break me through from my freeze ray?
I think I shot him. That's why.
You piece of.
I'm still gonna use med. Now, Ahmed, like we did, we have to team up on the RPG.
Nah, we can't. We can't stay close while RPG is alive or this
Okay,
will
he like
happen.
he liked me
I
while I was on that thing, while I was on the
Acha.
base. Wrong guy. We
Your
are
fault.
teaming up. Not my fault. We
I may
Ahmed,
not
we
have an
team up.
idea,
Bro,
gentlemen, and I also do not have a brain, but I may have an idea.
Ahmed, keep our
I have an
distance.
idea. I'm using all weapons which are just cringe. I'm using cringe AF weapons. Flare,
I need to put your head.
Molotov, and RPG. They're cooked.
Alright,
They're
the girl.
cooked. Obviously, the girl is cooked. Last match.
Ahmed, I think I might have angered him now.
Why?
Didn't you see what I was doing?
No. I got the last kill, so it doesn't matter. They couldn't see you. Okay, I killed one.
Okay, I did 135. The guy. Oh my gosh! My burn killed him.
Holy bird.
I used the Molotov. The Molotov.
Join my private server.
Okay.
Key. Bro, we are choosing a legacy map, okay?
Man, no legacy. It's gonna be random map, bro. It's not random all of it's chosen.
Bro, legacy map are so fun to play on.
Bro, they're basically just regular map, but redesigned.
I agree. Bro, did Surfa die?
I don't know. I think he went to get milk and forgot to come back.
Bro messages me 12 like at night 10. Wanna play? I say no. Tomorrow. Now bro isn't available. Now bro isn't.
He went. No, I think he got.
Did you know?
I'm sorry. He went to the Infinity Castle.
Oh, I need to. Bro, how will they counter Nakime? I don't understand. Will the guy with Lady Tamayo, whatever he's called, what he's called?
Yushiro.
Yeah, Yushiro.
One minute.
Will Yushiro control? Will Yushiro control her over and control the Infinity Castle?
No, he will. Yes, he will control her, but then he will try to get. And he will help the Hasuras. But then Muzan anger kills Nakime, and then yeah.
Then the Infinity Castle collapses, Muzan dies, and Tanjiro becomes the next Demon King.
No, the Infinity Castle does not collapse.
Then Nakime died, bro.
I thought it was a team match, not random all, man. I completely got.
It's random all. You're just spamming substance strip mines.
Bro, it's random all.
No, yeah, it's random all. Did you know we can also play? Bro, why are you just standing on your subspace strip mine trying to lurk me over them?
How did you know that was there? Did you see
Because I saw you placing it down. Bro, just standing on the subspace strip mine trying to lurk me over.
But that's not active time.
Then what were you doing? Give me one good reason.
Good reason.
Just kill me. Oh wow.
Oh my god.
I blinded you.
No, you just said me. Let me just switch off again, man.
Oh, I'm cooked. I'm cooked.
Same.
We're both cooked, so who will cook?
Harder.
Okay, we have the same weapons. I have the distortion. We both had 10 HP. We both had. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. I had this.
Same. I also have that. Did you also have the mall?
Yeah.
Did we just have the same loadout and not even realize that?
1 in 1 trillion chance be like. I have a better version of that.
Yeah, but you can't hit your shots, so.
Are you sure I did? I just hit one and another as well. We both are one shot for each other. Where did your grenade? Do you have the grenade?
No.
What was that then? I also have the grenade.
You're a magic person.
No, that's not. I'm not him. He doina. Where did you come from?
I came from the
Katsa.
imagination like I said.
Katsa. Bro,
Amar, I have this
Katsa is
sort
na
of
admin.
you have no.
Katsa is na admin. I asked you what does na admin. Na admin be like. You said I don't know.
Oh my god.
I got black, I got blue. What you want?
Only that happened because I wasn't able to focus, man.
You were trying to Molotov me.
Yeah, no kidding, Sherlock.
You flashbanged me while I was mid-air. I wasted my subspace strip mines. No, I'm cooked. Oh wow,
Oh,
I cooked.
the explosion eliminated me. The explosion eliminated rematch.
No, rematch from
Why?
here. The legacy maps don't show up if you rematch from there. Rematch from here.
I swear we got the edit
Somebody's
map.
been thinking about you. Ah, la, 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 la. Oh wow, I
Back.
will win. I will win this for sure. Unless and until you're paid to win. Yeah, you're paid to win. You're placing some strip mines in the house, so I can't come in. I saw you. Where did you
Yeah.
place it? So I'll walk around it. I'll just walk around it.
Hey, wait. Amber, is that a reference? Ah, just walk around it.
If there is a one-step ball, just walk around it. 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 Walk.
Yeah. Oh, bro, shut up. Stop. Amber, my
I'm
friend
sorry.
carried. We can agree.
Just walk around it. Walk. Bro, I hate subspace strip mines. Bro, wanting to spam the minigun. Uzi be like, nah, I'd win.
No, you. You out of me. That's why you won.
Bro, what the hell is this loadout? Do you have anything that can counter the right shield?
No.
Good. I know smoke grenade can't counter the right shield at least.
Yeah, man, they would just follow top. Oh, hello, Bozo. Hello,
Hello,
fine
boss.
sir. Hello,
Hello,
fine
fine
sir.
sir. Hello, boss. Hello, fine sir.
Hello, fine sir. What were you looking at, huh?
I was looking at how beautiful you are.
Hey, yo, yeah.
No, no,
Sir,
no, no, no.
sir,
You are a
sir,
waiter, bro.
Sir, where did you
Where?
run, sir, why did you run off, sir? Sir,
Where are
sir,
you, sir?
sir, I'm looking for you, sir.
Sir, I'm looking for you as well.
Sir, where are you, sir? Please come back, sir.
Sir, my
Sir,
mouse isn't working. I don't know why, sir. Sir, I saw
sir,
you, sir. Sir, sir, why are you running, sir? Sir, don't even try, sir. Sir, hello, sir. Hello, sir. Sir, hello, sir. Sir, I think that can counter the right shield. Sir, sir, you have the smoke grenade, sir, you idiot. Sir, how are you hitting me, sir? I was blinded in there, sir. Hello, sir.
oh my gosh, wait, you are not there. You're hacking.
You. What?
You're
That was
hacking,
actually,
sir.
that was luck. That was all luck. Luck, bro, luck. Which you don't have any cuck.
Yo, what?
Bro, the best thing about slingshot is you don't know need to reload.
Yeah, but you have 100 ammo and you're gonna win shot. Oh my god.
Somebody's been thinking about you. I don't know who. But if you have
How do you
anything that I'm cheating or I'm hacking, you can just check the recording. I have it as proof. And I'll upload the video tomorrow. Hello, Bozo. Hello, Bozo. Why are you using the burst, Bozo? That is my weapon.
That was I was in the air. Bro,
Okay,
why did you
Bozo.
not follow titles, huh?
Bro, I'm Bozo. I'm winning again. I don't know. 3 of my weapons are paid to win. But one is the worst, Distoriation. I'm just going to tell you. I don't
What
even think it. I have Distoriation as my primary. I see you. I see. I see. I saw. I left.
where?
What were you thinking? Were you hacking?
Nah.
You don't even know how to use the permafrost, bro. What the hell were you
How are
thinking
you?
actually? What the hell were you thinking?
Bro, I don't know. Rematch maybe. Fine. Bro, okay.
Rematch from
The
here.
bow one.
Rematch from here.
Bro, I was supposed to win the bow one, but you got completely lucky.
Yeah, it was all luck. I used all of my life's luck there. Now I can't roll gachas and blocks roads.
You weren't even doing that. At least it's not splash.
Better. Oh no, we are bro. I have chose something interesting. I got
Oh,
something.
oh
I know. Seriously, bro. You can check the recording. I did random all. I got some. You are just going in the house and camping in there.
my god. My internet was so bad. I
You're
played.
here. Where is your subspace strip mine?
Bro, I was actually trying to place it. I don't know what happened. Oh, now I realize I have to swap my weapons.
Oh yeah, you have to jump off.
I can't
Oh,
even move. I can't even move.
you're you're dead for me. You just left, bro. That's all for today. You